Welcome back to the Magic Academy. This week we are learning an awesome ace production. It looks like true magic, yet there's a very simple solution to it all. It's a great way to set up any sort of ace card trick. So why don't we show the performance, and then from there we'll go into the explanation. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to like and subscribe for more card tricks. We're going to be sharing awesome card flourishes, techniques, and tricks. So stay tuned. Okay, so for this card trick, we need to have a mystery card selected. Why don't we go ahead and choose that one here. From there, we'll have the spectator choose a card as well. We'll go ahead and riffle down the side until they say stop. Let's say they stop right there. Here's their card. From there, they can take their card and sandwich it wherever they want, somewhere in the middle of the deck. We say, okay, why don't we just turn that face up so we can get a good sense of where you sandwich your card and what your card was. That's the ace of spades. Now the mystery card, I don't know how this happens, but yeah, there's the perfect match. The most insane thing, however, is you placed your ace of spades in between two cards. I don't know how this works, but sure enough, that's the ace of diamonds and the ace of hearts. Pure magic. Pretty great ace production that'll set you up perfectly for an ace magic trick from there. So I'll be sharing an awesome one next week as well, so stay tuned for that. So what is the setup? It's very straightforward. You take the two black aces on the top. The third card is one of the red aces, and on the bottom is the second red ace. So first things first is producing the mystery card. So there's obviously many different ways to do that. A fun way to do that is by pulling down the top card and having it fling out of the deck like that. I think the best way to produce the card for the mystery card for this trick is by just getting it to the center of the deck and getting a break, and then dribbling the cards to the break. And then from there, you have the ace of clubs. And you set that aside. You obviously aren't showing the card. And then you go ahead and dribble the cards back on top and get the break above what is the ace of spades, which you're going to force. And so from there, you can do the dribble force. You can do the riffle force, where you just say, go ahead and tell me stop as I riffle the side of the deck here, and you cut the cards to the break, and you give them their selection, the ace of spades. And so the incredible thing here is, as they now have the freedom to place this ace of spades wherever they want. And so it's a simple move here, yet extremely effective, where you take the card, and as you know, you have the ace of hearts and the ace of diamonds on the top and the bottom, and you turn over the card, and in doing so, you bring that top packet to the bottom. And so from there, you can spread the cards, and now you've got the ace of spades sandwiched in between the ace of hearts and the ace of diamonds. So we'll go ahead and do that again. They'll take the ace of spades, place it anywhere into the deck, and from there, you simply spread to the card. You take the top pile, grab the ace, bring it to the bottom, and then spread the cards. And from there, you now have the ace sandwiched like so. So what I like to say is, as I'm doing that, right, you say, okay, why don't we go ahead and just turn your card face up and spread it like so. And so as you're speaking, it sort of distracts a little bit from what you're doing, but it's very deceptive and very powerful. No one really sees what's going on, because first you're showing the matching mystery card, and then from there you said, and of course you placed your card in the perfect location. Look at that. That's the four aces. So simple yet powerful. Great way to get set up for an ace card trick. We'll go ahead and learn one next week, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys as always for the support. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.